Hello everyone, I Assistant Professor Sumaya Tamboli of Abeda Inamda Senior College of Arts, Science and Commerce. In this video, I am going to clear the concept of image map in HTML. Okay, let's go ahead and see the concept. Image map in HTML. So with the name itself is indicating something is related with the image. We are going to do something with the image so that it is image map in HTML. Okay. So here the HTML map tag defines an image map. An image map is an image with clickable areas. The areas are defined with one or more area tags. The idea behind an image map is that you should be able to perform different actions depending on where in the image you click. To create an image map, you need an image and some HTML code that describes the clickable areas. Okay. As I said, that image is not just an image, but we are making some clickable areas on that image. Okay, we are creating some clickable areas, right? And for this, we need two tags. One is map tag, okay, and the another one is what? This area tag. Okay, map and area tag are important for working with image map. Okay, in HTML, right? Now, as I said, it is image map in HTML. For that reason, one thing which is important is image. First, we need image. Then only we can create clickable areas on that image, right? And for inserting image, we need image tag, right? This image concept we have already seen in our previous video, right? So for image, we need image tag. One extra attribute you can see in this concept is use map. This attribute is extra in this concept, use map. Why use map? Since it is going to take the map name from this tag. Okay, from this tag. As you can see here, the name of the map is what? Work map, right? Similarly, here you are going to make use of it, right? You can give any name, but in my examples I have taken hash work map, right? It is compulsory to write hash in front of the name of the map, right? Next. Okay. Next, here you can see shape. You must define the shape of the clickable areas and you can choose one of this value. Okay, as I said, image will be having certain clickable areas. Those can be made with this shapes. Rect stands for rectangular region, circle stands for circular region, polygonal region, default the entire region. Okay, shape is equals to RACT. RAC is for rectangle. Okay, so here you can see the image below. This is the rectangular shape and you can see the circle over here. These are nothing but just the indication of the vertices of this rectangular box. Okay, the coordinates for shape RECT comes in pair, right? One for x-axis and the one for y-axis, right? That means what? See here, this is what your x-axis and this is what your y-axis, right? So that is the reason here it is telling what? The coordinate for shape rect comes in pair. This will be for x-axis and this will be for y-axis. Okay. So the coordinates 34, 44 is located 34 pixel from the left margin and 44 pixel from the top margin. Okay. Same will be for opposite side vertex. Okay, this is for x-axis and this is for y-axis. Is it okay? That means what? We need to specify here four points in this shape RECT, 34, 44 and 100, 125, right? Let's go ahead and see the example. So here you can see I have taken the example. I am going to explain this practically also. I have already one image where I have inserted certain rectangular, circle and polygonal shape images, right? So here this is how we are going to use this area shape is equals to RACT. Okay, I'll stop. So here you can see this is the image which I have taken in my video. Okay, I have inserted this image. You can see there is a circle over here, there is a rectangle over here, there is a polygonal over here. This is what I have taken into my explanation. Okay, if you take exact width and height of this image, then there will be no problem while clicking on the clickable areas which you are creating. Okay, so from here if you open that image into the paint, then you can see this is what the height and width given over here. This is what the height and width, you can see 62646 and 1226 pixels. Okay, so take exact size in your code. Okay, so here you can see I have taken the example over here of image map. Okay, where I have included the tags like HTML body, heading tag, paragraph tag, just to indicate click on the computer to go to a new page and read more about this topic, just to add something related to the clickable area. Okay, here I have taken one image. Okay, as I have shown you before the image. Okay, and use map is equals to hash work map. Width I have taken 2646. As I have said you that if you take proper width when you open the when you open the image into the paint, then you can take proper width and height of that particular image, so that it create no problem. Okay, next is map. As I said, map tag is important. So map name is equals to work map, right? Then area shape is equals to RACT. As I said, area tag is important, right? So area shape is equals to RACT. Coordinates is equals to 316 comma 190, and the opposite vertex coordinate is what? 665 comma 346. This coordinate points are important for shape rectangle. Okay, alternate I have given computer, and after clicking on that area, on that shape rectangle where it must be directed, okay, then it is directed with the help of href attribute, right? When I click on that rectangular shape, it is redirecting me to a computer.jpg image, right? And the end of map tag, end of body tag, and end of HTML tag. Okay, when I run the HTML file, then this is coming onto my web page. Okay, when I run the HTML file, this is coming in my web page. As I have said, this is the image which I have taken in my example. So, and this is the clickable area. See here, you can see the cursor, it is the arrow. When I move my cursor, anywhere I move, it is showing in the form of arrow. But the coordinate point which I have mentioned in my example, like say if I move in this rectangle, since this is the coordinate point and this is the coordinate point which I have taken, right? So arrow turns to the hand. You can see arrow turns to the hand. That means what? You have to click in this particular region, right? See, if I move the cursor here, it is arrow. In this entire region, this rectangular box, entire rectangular box, it is giving me the hand shape cursor. That means what? I have to click on this rectangular area. See, when I clicked, then it is redirecting me to the computer image as I have specified into my code. You can try it by yourself. Okay, similarly for the similarly for the shape circle, you are going to add a circle area. First locate the coordinate of the center of the circle, then specify the radius of the circle in pixel. So here this is what the center coordinate. Okay, this is what the center coordinate, this particular thing is the center coordinate with 134 comma 144, and this is what the radius which you have to indicate. Okay, this is how you are going to change the name. Shape is equals to circle, coordinates is equals to center, and next is what? 44 is nothing but the radius. Okay, Then what I said here, coordinates are 362, 96. This is the centrally located of your location of your circle, where you want to make that particular area as the clickable area. Then you have to specify the radius of that particular circle. Okay. Then where it must be redirected, that is given into the href attribute, right? When I click on this circle, then the area which comes is nothing but circle underscore flower dot jpeg. Okay, let's go ahead and see this. Okay, see this. Here you can see the cursor, this is the different file from the previous file. Okay, that means what, this is not the clickable area here. You can write the code one below the other, but for the explanation I have taken two different files. Okay, click on small circle to go to a new page and read more about the topic, right? Basically, see here, cursor is like an arrow everywhere on this web page. But when I go near this small circle, see, the arrow changes to the hand arrow, right? You can see this is, it is telling what, this is the clickable area. So here you have to click, right? If I click on this, then it is redirecting me to certain page, that is nothing but circle underscore flower dot jpeg, as I have mentioned in my code, right? So this is how you are going to create the image map in HTML. You are going to make an image with certain clickable areas. We have learned two shapes today. One is what, rectangular shape, and the another one is what, circular shape, right? Clicking on this two shape, you have redirected to certain new page. Okay, you have redirected to certain new page. So this is what the concept of image map in HTML. If you have liked my video, if you have understood the concept, please like the video, share the link with your friends. Okay, thank you guys.